Good morning, students. Welcome to our online class. Dear students, how are you? Are you fine? Yes, I am also fine. Dear students, in previous class, I have taught you some sentence pattern. Today, I am going to teach you some sentence pattern. Please open your workbook and go to Unit 3. Look at the sentence pattern. I have been learning. I have not been learning. Have I been learning? We have been learning. We have not been learning. Have we been learning? You have been learning. You have not been learning. Have you been learning? He or she has been learning. He or she has not been learning. Has he or she been learning? They have been learning. They have not been learning. Have they been learning? Here I have been learning. In ଓଡ଼ିଆ ମୁଁ ଶିକ୍ଷା ଲାଭ କରି ଆସୁଅଛି. ଲାଇକ୍ୱାଇଜ୍ ମୁଁ ଖେଳି ଆସୁଅଛି. ଆଇ ହାଭ୍ ବିନ୍ ପ୍ଲେଇଂ ମୁଁ କାମ କରି ଆସୁଅଛି. ଆଇ ହାଭ୍ ବିନ୍ ୱାର୍କିଂ. ଲାଇକ୍ୱାଇଜ୍ ଇଫ୍ ଆଇ ସେ ଆମେ ଖେଳି ଆସୁଅଛୁ. ୱି ହାଭ୍ ବିନ୍ ପ୍ଲେଇଂ ଆମେ ନାଚି ଆସୁଅଛୁ. ୱି ହାଭ୍ ବିନ୍ ଡ୍ୟାନ୍ସିଂ ଆମେ ଲେଖି ଆସୁଅଛୁ. ୱି ହାଭ୍ ବିନ୍ ରାଇଟିଂ. ଲାଇକ୍ୱାଇଜ୍ ତୁମେ ପଢ଼ି ଆସୁଅଛ. ୟୁ ହାଭ୍ ବିନ୍ ରିଡ଼ିଂ ତୁମେ ଖେଳି ଆସୁଅଛ. ୟୁ ହାଭ୍ ବିନ୍ ପ୍ଲେଇଂ. ଆଗକୁ ଏହିପରି କ୍ଲାସ୍ କରିବା ପାଇଁ ଏବେ ହିଁ ଆମ ଚ୍ୟାନେଲକୁ ସବସ୍କ୍ରାଇବ୍ କରନ୍ତୁ. ସେ ଦୌଡ଼ି ଆସୁଅଛି. ହି ଅର୍ ସି ହାଜ୍ ବିନ୍ ରନିଂ ସେମାନେ ଖାଇ ଆସୁଛନ୍ତି. ଦେ ହାଭ୍ ବିନ୍ ଇଟିଂ ସେମାନେ ପଢ଼ି ଆସୁଅଛନ୍ତି. ଦେ ହାଭ୍ ବିନ୍ ରିଡ଼ିଂ. ଲାଇକ୍ୱାଇଜ୍ ୟୁଜିଂ ଦ ସେଣ୍ଟେନ୍ସ ପାଟର୍ନ we can translate English easily. Yes or no? Yes. Go to Unit 3 and look at translate into English. Number 1. ଆମେ ପଢ଼ି ଆସୁଅଛୁ. What will be in English? We have been reading or studying. Number 2. Question. ସେମାନେ ଖେଳି ଆସୁନାହାନ୍ତି. It is a negative sentence. Suppose ସେମାନେ ଖେଳି ଆସୁଛନ୍ତି. What will be the answer? They have been playing. It is a positive sentence. If we make the sentence to negative form, what will be the answer? They have not been playing. Number 3 question is, ତୁମେ କାମ କରି ଆସୁଅଛ କି? Interrogative sentence. ତୁମେ କାମ କରି ଆସୁଛ କି? Suppose there is a sentence ତୁମେ କାମ କରି ଆସୁଛ. It is a positive sentence. You have been working. Make it a question. What will happen? Have you been working? Next, number 4. ସୀତା ନାଚି ଆସୁଅଛି. Very easy. ସୀତା has been dancing. Next, ସୈନିକମାନେ ଯୁଦ୍ଧ କରି ଆସୁଛନ୍ତି. ସୈନିକମାନେ ପ୍ଲୁରାଲ୍ ଫର୍ମ ସୋଲଜର୍ସ ଯୁଦ୍ଧ କରି ଆସୁଛନ୍ତି. ହାଭ୍ ବିନ୍ ଫାଇଟିଂ. ଦି ସେଣ୍ଟେନ୍ସ ଇଜ୍ ଦି ସୋଲ୍ଜର୍ସ ହାଭ୍ ବିନ୍ ଫାଇଟିଂ. ନେକ୍ସଟ ନମ୍ବର, ଇନସର୍ଟ ଦି ଇଫ୍ ନେସେସରି. ଫାର୍ଷ୍ଟ କ୍ୱେଶ୍ଚିନ୍, ହ୍ୱାଟ୍ ଇଜ୍ ଅନ୍ ଟେଲିଭିଜନ୍ ଟୁନାଇଟ୍? ହ୍ୱାଟ୍ ଇଜ୍ ଅନ୍ ଟେଲିଭିଜନ୍ ଟୁନାଇଟ୍? You have to insert the or put the if necessary. What is on television tonight? The sentence is correct. You need not put the. Next number. Okay. The second question is, what did you have for breakfast? It is also correct sentence. No need of the here. Number 3. Sentence is, I have examined third and fourth class. The answer is, I have examined the third and the fourth class. Next question is, books are expensive. So the answer will be, the books are expensive. Number B question is, he belongs to USA. The answer is he belongs to the USA. VI. Bay of Bengal. Bay of Bengal is in the east. Where will you use the? The Bay of Bengal is in the east. VII. English left our country on 15th August 1947. What will be the answer? The English left our country on 15th August 1947. VIII. Can you turn off television? What will be the answer? Can you turn off the television? IX. Gita is a Hindu scripture. Where will you use the? What will be the answer? The answer will be the Gita is a Hindu scripture. Number X. Delhi is capital of Bharat. What will be the answer? Delhi is the capital of Bharat. My sister got married last month. Here no need of the. The sentence is correct. Did you hear news and radio? The answer is did you hear the news on the radio? X. Third. Can you play on pipes? The answer is can you play on the pipes? X. IV. What is best player in your team? The answer will be what is the best player in your team? XB. He went to cinema last night. What will be the answer? He went to the cinema last night. When was telephone invented? The answer will be when was the telephone invented? XBII. I went to speak to headmaster. What will be the answer? I went to speak to the headmaster. Next number. My uncle has gone to doctor. The answer is my uncle has gone to the doctor. Next number. There are no clouds in sky. The answer will be there are no clouds in the sky. Last number. Samaj is an Odia Delhi. The answer will be the Samaj is an Odia Delhi. Students, this is all about of your workbooks unit 3. In the next class, we will read the unit 4 of your workbook. आगकू एहीपरी क्लास करने एबे ही आम चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करंतु। थैंक यू।